Hi everyone, how are you? Fine, right? I am fine too. In previous video about materialized view, I have discussed everything about regarding the concepts. What is materialized view? How this materialized view is useful, and why we need actually the materialized view. Okay, and in which context we have to create the materialized view. So today I will create a materialized view, and I'll show you how to create materialized view and how we can store it in our local database. Fine. Okay, so I am in my SQL prompt. So here I have table EMP. So I am just checking the table. Yes, EMP table is here. So I'm creating a materialized view on EMP table. Okay, so how I will create it? So let's see. I will create a materialized view on EMP table. So I have to write here command create materialized view. A name have to be given. Say I'll give the name of materialized view is mv underscore emp. So here I have to write select star or select okay, select star from emp. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I have misspelled here, so I'm writing in create materialized view. My materialized view name as select star from emp. Okay, see here showing materialized view is created. That means a materialized view in our local database is created. If it is in remote database, similarly we can create the materialized view in our local database. So it's a separate database object. We can see here. I can see. I can check the materialized view is in our database or not. Select star from. So here you can see mv underscore emp is created, right? So and the data I can check select star from mv underscore emp. Okay, so in our materialized view, see here data also be populated in our materialized view. So in the similar way we can create the materialized view based upon another table which is located remotely, and we can make a copy in our local database, and we can use it for our purposes, in reporting purposes, and whatever wherever we have need. Okay, so this is the creation of materialized view in our local system, local database. Okay, so I shown already the materialized view how to create the in local database, and we can create the materialized view using the join condition in the similar way, like a view. You can create a materialized view and it will store in the data in a separate database object like this, and it will store the data inside the materialized view. So materialized view basically create on a single table or maybe joining multiple tables. Whenever you are joining multiple tables, the data have to be fetched from the remote database, and it will store in the materialized view in your local system. And basically in data warehouse system, frequently we need the summarized data, the aggregation, the sorting, various kinds of data. And if we fetch, if we go to the remote database and we fetch a join query that is taking that is containing with multiple tables using join condition, so every time it will create, every time it will run, and it will take time. So that's why once we have created a materialized view, the data, the aggregated data or summarized data have to be stored in our local system as a materialized view. So this is the summary table or aggregation table. So on that table we can create our report from our local system. Okay, that's fine. So materialized view is used for summarize or aggregate or replicate the data in our local system from the remote system. Okay, and another and there are some differences in view and materialized view. I will discuss again. I'll discuss also those differences. In materialized view, a view is just a select statement, and here the select statement is stored in the data dictionary, but a view cannot contain any data. And okay, it is just a object in the database, but it cannot create, it cannot store any data. But materialized view must have data stored inside it. And a materialized view can be indexed or can be we can create index on materialized view, or but on view we cannot create any index. And other differences are, where in the case of view we have to fetch every time we are queried the view, every time it fetches the base table, and every time it joins the joining operation, whatever the select statement inside the view, every time it is to be run to get the result set. Okay, but in case of materialized view, the query of the view will not execute, and the result set is already ready in our materialized view. If we just select star from the materialized view name, we can we can get the result set of data which are actually we our expected, which we are expecting. Okay, so and the view and the select statement for materialized view also stored in the data dictionary object in Oracle. So that are the differences about normal view and materialized view. And materialized view is created in this similar in the way I have shown you. And that's all. I think you have liked, you have understood all the things, and what is the purpose of materialized view, how it can be created, and what is the purpose of materialized view, and what data it holds, and in which purpose it is used, right? And what is the differences between normal view and materialized view. So that's all for this session. And if you like my video, you just give a like, so that yeah, I can make new videos on new topic, and I can upload on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is SoftAcademy, and you can show here that is my YouTube channel. Here all the videos of the different Oracle technologies are uploaded here, so you can watch these videos. These are the Oracle constraint. These videos are for Oracle constraint. You can get everything about the all the Oracle constraint and how it can be used. This is the application of Oracle constraint in our business. All the constraint, how it can be applied in the business application, you can get to know from this video. This is the first part, and this is the second part. you can watch the Oracle SQL tutorial here. Here I have uploaded a Oracle PL SQL tutorial. Okay, and whoever new to Oracle and just learning Oracle, so they can watch the introduction of database management system. This is in part, this is in two parts, introduction to DBMS and introduction to DBMS part 2. You will get to know everything about the database management system, what is a database management system and what is data, and a very basic concept has been discussed here, and how it is useful in our business. Okay, and I have uploaded also some advanced PLSQL programming topics like Oracle cursors, Oracle exceptions. These are the complete videos. You just watch it and you get to know everything about the detail with examples. So this is the Oracle cursors. This video is for Oracle cursors, this is for Oracle exceptions, and this is for Oracle collections. So every topics are very much important, and I have discussed everything with examples and very easy way. You just watch it one by one. You will get to know everything about in detail about the topics, about the concept, and the with examples in detail. Okay, and here this video is my website where I provide the training. You can get to know about every online training session in this video. From this website you will get to know everything about my online training sessions about on the all the Oracle technologies, and other Oracle videos are this is the Oracle V array and array. So you can get to know about the array in Oracle and also V array, how it is useful and how it can be created. I have discussed everything, and I have discussed also the about the Oracle advanced Oracle topics like Oracle performance tuning. This is the video for Oracle performance tuning, and this is the video for explain plan. You get to know about everything about a explain plan, what is explain plan, how it can be created, and how you have to read explain plan, what the steps you have to take and how you have how you can understand the explain plan, what is the different parameters, what are their meaning. So you can watch it and you can get to know in detail. Okay, and here is the Materialized View part 1. And on the SQL I am just making this today's video already you have shown, so I'll upload it in here. So we will watch those videos. This is the first part, and today whatever the session has I have delivered to you, this will be the part 2. Okay, so just watch out all the videos and give the like and subscribe my channel to get the notification when I upload a new video. You will get a notification, and you can watch out and you can learn about the topics in detail and with discussion. Okay, with discussion and examples. Okay, so that's all from my side, and if you want to join my online training session, I am providing training on Oracle, different Oracle technologies during last 10 years. So I provide training for Oracle database architecture and database design. I provide training for Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PLSQL programming. I am providing training for Oracle forms and reports, that is for business application development, and also I am providing training for Unix shell scripting. Okay, so if you want to join in my online training session, just go to my this website. You will get to know everything in detail about all the online courses and their content, their duration, and other necessary details. Okay, so just if you want to join my online session, online training session, you just comment here below my video, and I'll arrange the session very soon. Okay, that's all from my side for today. Thank you for watching this video. Just give a like and subscribe my channel. So thank you.